A fool is known by his words, and a wise man is known by his silence. That's why silence is the best answer for them. So make sure to develop two things in yourself. Keep quiet and forgive, because there is no answer greater than silence, and no punishment greater than forgiveness. Take advantage of every opportunity in life, but never take advantage of someone's trust and feelings. Never break someone's trust, because broken trust breaks hearts. Always remember, hope is of words, but the effect is always off-tone. Therefore, no matter how harsh you are, always keep your tone soft, because the best criticism is the one that awakens not the ego, but the conscience of others. Just think about your tone and tell me how many words are there. How many arrows are there? People who worry about others more than themselves in their lives often end up alone in their lives. So learn to think about yourself before thinking about others, because the only one who can save the drowning person is the one who knows how to swim. Be honest, but don't let yourself be used. Love people, but don't hurt yourself. Always listen to others, but don't let your voice get lost. Always wish others well, but don't let anyone harm you. Friends, you must have a hand in the victory of others, but do not let anyone's hand extend to your victory. Those who are yours will always be yours, because those who have to go without a reason, and those who have to perform without a reason. Therefore, never go where you are not respected. Even if the food is served on a gold plate and a silver spoon, make 3 rules of your life. Ask for forgiveness from whoever you want. Never leave the one who wants you. Never hide the one who trusts you. Never look down on someone because of their caste and dress, because the one who gives you and the one who gives them is the same God. He can give it to you and take it away from you. It is true that people do not value kindness. If you do good to them, they consider it their right, but you keep up the good work whether the tea is appreciated or not. Because when half the world is asleep, the sun still rises. Everyone stands with the rich, but no one supports the poor. Therefore, if you are made, be like that lamp which gives as much light in the king's palace as it does in the hut of a poor man. The best person to always remember is recognized by his actions. Otherwise, good things are written on the walls. Friends, if you like the video, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.